In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Think with Grok 3. Let's start right at the beginning. Open your Grok account and sign in so you're on the main screen. You should see the familiar search bar where you usually type queries. Now, a quick heads up. If your account isn't upgraded, the Think option may not be visible. That's normal and just means the feature isn't enabled on your current plan. Don't worry if you don't see it. I'll still walk you through exactly where it appears and how it works when it's available. On accounts where Think is enabled, you'll notice two options right beneath the search bar: Deep Search and Think. Deep Search is great when you want to pull in results from across the web, while Think is designed for deeper reasoning and structured answers without leaning on live browsing. For today's walkthrough, we're focusing on Think. Go ahead and click Think. You'll land on a clean prompt area where you can ask questions in plain language. This is where the magic happens. Type what you want help with, anything from planning, explanations, and brainstorming to rewriting text and step-by-step analysis. You don't need special syntax, just be clear and direct. A few tips to get the most out of it. First, be specific about your goal. Instead of saying, "Help me," try summarize this article in 3 bullet points focusing on key findings. Second, add context. If you're working on a project or have constraints like time, budget, or tone, include that in your prompt. Third, ask for structure. Phrases like, "Give me a numbered outline," "Compare pros and cons," or "Explain." Like, "I'm new to this topic, help." Think organize the response the way you want. And finally, iterate. If the first answer isn't quite right, refine your prompt and ask again. Small clarifications can make a big difference. Here are a couple of example prompts you might try once you're in. Think. Create a concise study guide on photosynthesis for a beginner. Or draft a friendly, professional message to reschedule a meeting, keeping it under 120 words. You can also request brainstorming support like list creative social post ideas for a weekend event, focusing on family-friendly themes. Remember, keep personal or sensitive information out of your prompts. Think can still give you excellent guidance without needing private details. That's it. Open your Grok account, and if you see Deep Search and Think under the search bar, choose Think, type your prompt, and let it do the heavy lifting. If Think isn't visible, it's likely due to your current plan. When it is available, you'll be ready to use it confidently and effectively.